If your Fisher and Paykel dishwasher is not working properly, resetting it can often fix the issue. Problems like error codes, flashing lights, or a cycle stopper midway are usually caused by temporary system glitches that a reset can clear. Some common signs include the dishwasher not starting, buttons not responding, or the machine getting stuck during a wash cycle. You may also hear beeping sounds or see error codes displayed on the panel. To perform a basic reset, press and hold the power or start button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the machine turns off or resets. This cancels the current cycle and clears minor faults. If the basic reset doesn't work, try a power reset. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the outlet or switch it off at the breaker. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes. Then restore power and restart the machine. If your dishwasher is showing an error code, resetting the machine may clear it. However, if the error returns after the reset, it usually means there's an underlying issue that needs to be diagnosed and repaired.